So you need a greenhouse to keep your plants from freezing. I got a lot of tropicals. These are just pallets. This is the pallets that come with riding lawnmowers. Tractor Supply has them. They're 5 foot by 7 foot. There's plenty of cross nailing. They're throwaways. They give them away. If you just ask them, they'll give them to you. 48 by 40s. That's the ones everyone wants to recycle, reuse. You can get them. I like them because a lot of lumber fits them well. Okay, so in the shorter versions of this, I talked about getting the 90-degree square plumb and everything, and then you could put these little squares, screw them together. Once you get everything right and tight, I'm wiggling on it right now with my hand. Nothing will shift around. The ropes that you're seeing, that's just to hold them together because I'm working one by one person. I didn't need any help at all, except to stand up these 5 by 7s to keep them from falling over until I got the 90 there. Once I got 190 up, one of these 48 by 40s, the thing stands up. Lashed them together with just old baling string from these hay bales from feeding goats. Now, it's pretty far along. There's some short versions, but you can see this is just a tarp. It's just a tarp. This corrugated top, that's probably going to be of a matching side on the other side of this wall. Probably going to make a twin structure. That'll give me 14 feet by 4 foot, another 4 foot there by another 14 feet, just by adding more of these corrugated panels, a few more pallets. Now, if you're at the Tractor Supply and you manage to get some of these big skids that these lawnmowers come on, try and get the sides. Some of these sides are still in pretty good shape. They're just stapled together, and then they got an abundance of this garbage right here that just cuts you up and tear you up as you're working. Just a pair of I call them bullnose pliers. They'll cut them off flush with the wood, and then you get your little side grinder and just burn them down. These are a little bit twisted. This is only temporary. I'm gonna find something nicer to put on the front, but for right now, I got to get this stuff in there in a warm spot before the nights hit 28, 24. Texas gets cold in January, February. You can dodge a couple of freezes in November, December, but go ahead and follow some of my shorts. I appreciate you watching. This is this is a one-day thing if you stay committed to it, but I gotta feed goats, feed a horse, feed birds, a lot of work to do. So take it easy. Let me know in the comments if you need some advice or help. Thanks.